Today we are looking at the Hardi Ranger 2500, which is a 2500 litre 18 metre spray boom, more for your broad acre basically grass paddocks.
G'day guys, Luke here at Honeycombes. Stay tuned, we review all machines. So look, stay tuned, Luke's Machinery Reviews. Have a look, see what we're looking at this week. YouTube and Instagram. Cheers, thank you. Feel free to come and see us.
G'day guys, and welcome to another Luke's Machinery Review. This week we're looking at the Hardi Ranger 2500 trailed boom spray. As you can see, it's a drawbar mounted machine, large diameter tank, folds up nice and easily, large diameter wheels for exceptional ground clearance, well constructed boom, section control motors, rate control, suspended boom sections, folds up nice and neat, doesn't it? Moving away to our control system. Level, tank level, freshwater tank, filters, quick fill.
Just a couple of features on the outside. We'll run through the quick fill, quick coupler into the system. Okay, this tab here, we're using it, we're pumping around our tank. This one, if we turn the tap around to this position, we are drawing the water from the clean water tank at the back, which then gets drawn into the system and it allows us to clean the tank, flush the system, flush the nozzles. So this one we want to draw out of the main tank because we're going to go spraying. Up to the top, agitation. This also is a top rinse, so if we turn it over to the right hand side, start to pump up, it rinses the top of the tank, allows it to wash down. Back to agitation, the chemical. We want to spray, or we want to flush out. Nice and simple, electric motors. Okay guys, I'm going to unfold the boom now. You only need two remotes. First one to lift the frame up. Second one, unfold. It's only one remote on a cable, it spins the outer boom out into place. Down, sorry, give the camera away. There we go to our preset height. We'll go out and have a look at it. See our boom in the fully folded out 18 metres.
We are using the red nozzles today. Obviously the nozzles set up as per your farming requirements. The pivot point to fold the second stage out. Inline filters per section. Minimise blockages. Again, we've got a second pressure gauge at the back to keep an eye on our pressures at the back.